Okay, we had the air conditioning going last night, but still, I woke up this morning and I was like, woof, I can already feel it.
Yeah, I wanted to keep it on all day, but I was like, I'll turn it off.
Yeah.
It's early in the season for that.
Yeah, but it is
when you're
muggy.
home. Yeah.
I imagine a lot of people who have the window units, it was like getting them in quick last night.
Oh, yeah.
If they weren't anything. Yeah. This kind of came on quick, I feel like.
Suddenly summer.
Yeah, suddenly summer. And going forward, there are some rain chances in the forecast, but I think they're pretty well timed. So.
Okay. And we'll get that. It means we don't have to spend the weekend watering our yards, right?
That too.
We'll take care of that overnight while you sleep.
That's for sure.
Silver lining.
Yeah.
I like that. Take a look at the numbers out there today. Away from the coastline, very warm. 88 in Freiburg, 85 in Sanford, 86 the high in Bangor, and Caribou, 89 degrees. I'll have to check the record for the date. The record may be pretty close to that. We didn't clear as much over down east, or at least get the warmth there. We did see some sun develop. So temperatures there right now, 76 in Bar Harbor, pretty nice there. 66 in Rockland. Most other places are up in the 80s, and as we mentioned, the dew points are high, so it's feeling tropical out there. We have a fair amount of sunshine, but look here on the down east coast. There is some low cloud cover here, and tonight this will kind of expand, and there may be some coastal fog, especially on the mid-coast and down east, that starts to redevelop. There are a few slow-moving showers up here around the Moosehead Lake region, extending down toward Dover, Foxcroft, and Dexter, too. So that's where showers are going to be most likely this evening. I think just about everywhere else we should be dry. High pressure offshore, that's what's pumping in the warmth and humidity. But once this front goes by, the dew points will be dropping, as I showed you, and that happens over the weekend. So I'd say one more day of the really uncomfortable stuff, and then it's just a little sticky at times for the weekend. So this evening, the best chance for any rain is going to be in central Maine. There could be a shower elsewhere, but I think we're mainly dry. A lot of this that you see here, the low cloud cover and fog that starts to form out in the Gulf of Maine. And by tomorrow morning, there will be some areas of fog here near the coastline. South coast, probably not so much, maybe some low cloud cover, though, in the morning. I think the warmest and brightest weather will be away from the ocean tomorrow. We may get some hazy sun at the coast, but there's also a chance for a pop-up shower. The highest chance for anything strong, though, would be where we see more sunshine, and it is going to be warmer farther inland tomorrow. The coast probably struggles to get out of the 60s for highs down east. We get into the low 70s on the south coast, and then inland areas, when you see the sun, temps pop to about 80. Tomorrow night, that front rolls through, but it has sped up, so most of the showers and storms with it are overnight. And then look at the day on Saturday. It starts cloudy in eastern Maine. Sun's already out at daybreak to the south and west, and given we have a lot of sunshine on Saturday, I think we warm up pretty nicely with temps in most spots between 80 and 85 Saturday afternoon. That front goes by, the next one comes in, but it waits until Sunday night. So Sunday night, Monday morning, the next round of rain, and then we're back to quiet weather early next week. Tomorrow, seas will be around 2 to 4 feet with a southerly wind 5 knots, and I don't know if you caught it, I'll show it next half hour. The Casco Bay water temperature says 60 degrees.
It's a big mark for the season.
That's a milestone. I hadn't seen that yet. That must have just happened in the last hour. You know, one thing that the humidity does, especially for the lakes and ponds, because it doesn't cool off as much at night, those have really warmed up.
Okay.
And apparently Casco Bay, without much wind the last couple of days, water's kind of still, so the surface is warmed a little bit.
So you're hitting the beach?
Maybe Saturday. Looks good to me.
60 is still chilly, but it would feel good.
I went in last week. That would feel great.
You've become a real man.
You just can't stay in there long.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you.
Thank you.